Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If your Intel Wi-Fi 6E 160 MHz is not connected to 5th generation's Wi-Fi, so first check the 5th generation's Wi-Fi is enabled or not from your router. Okay, then next click to start, type device manager, open it, then find out the network adapter, extract. So this is your Wi-Fi 6E. Okay, right click to click on uninstall and then click to uninstall. Okay, then next click to start and then click scan for changes. Okay, and then right click again Wi-Fi 6E, then click to property and then power and just uncheck this one and then click to OK and then close it. Next method, reset the network setting. So click to start, then click on setting, then network and internet, then advanced network setting, scroll down, last one, scroll down, then network reset. After that you can see here network reset now. Okay, and just click on it, then close it. Then next method, download driver. So open any browser, then type Intel 6A driver download. Then first link, which is official website Intel, click on it, scroll down, Wi-Fi, this one, click to more, scroll down, this is the driver, click on it. After that I accept and then you can say it is started. So it's depend about your internet speed. It's 8.45.1 MB size of this driver. Then it is completed, then single click to open, then it's coming like that, then click to next, then I accept, then again click to next, then again click to next. Now this is installing, then it is completed. Then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you. And if your issue is not resolved, so please check the Google link to fill out your issues. Then I will create another videos for this. Thank you.